It is Friday. Hey. So I've got up, got myself going, ate breakfast, just kind of waiting until we leave. Plan on going to a ferry across the water, because you know that's what ferries do, they cross the water. I'm just kind of in the process of like uploading video, or not videos, pictures to my laptop. I'm gonna be posting them here pretty soon. Had a good night's rest. I think I woke up a couple times. I had a hard time falling asleep. I don't know, I think it's because of all the sugar I ate last night before I went to bed, but that's basically what I ate, was sugar for dinner. So between the boba tea, ice cream, and a cake, so it was not like I ate a lot, but it's enough to keep me alert. Eventually, when I fell asleep, yeah, and then yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a rainy day. It's overcast right now. It's supposed to rain here pretty soon, so the time we're leaving it'll probably be already raining, so I might have to bring my rain jacket. But rain or shine, we're still gonna go, and we're still gonna have a good time, because we're also going out to a big buffet, so we'll see how big this is. I'm not sure. I've never been, so we'll see. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just in the process of doing some things. Tomorrow is going to be a relaxed day. I might not even film tomorrow, because I don't think it's going to be worth filming, because it's just going to be staying home and doing laundry, that sort of thing. So anyway, I love my little friends. These are my squishmallows. They're actually called, I call them squishmallows, but it's actually mallows with a. I love my little friends. And then my added addition, where is she? Or he, I don't know. Would it be considered a he? I guess he'd be a boy or girl. My little cake. It's not even a squishmallow, it's an off-brand, but it's so soft. I just love the texture of these guys, and the feel, and the, makes me happy. And I plan on getting more eventually. Am I obsessed? Yes. Am I a child? Probably. Sort of. I don't care if I'm 32 years old and love squishies or toys or stuffies or whatever you want to call them. I don't, obviously I just don't care. I like what I like, and I'm okay with that. I know a lot of adults, grown adults like my age or even older, love this type of stuff, so why should we care? People think, people have to say, let's just be ourselves, you know what I'm saying? Wearing Buddy today. I actually picked out Zachary's too. Zachary's wearing Buddy as well, so they'll be able to find us. This bright yellow and happy face that it is. Anyway, yeah, so that's kind of like the update as for now, so stay tuned for more to come.